2011 Kia Optima Turbo. Still got the stock converter. Then we put a MagnaFlow MagnaPack. And then it's 2.5 to 2-inch pipe. And then we put 2 1/4 muffler delete with 4-inch tips, quad tips right there, blue flame. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. It's gonna sound really nice. There's the 2 mufflers there and there that we cut off. There they are. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys want those MagnaPacks, you can hit the link in the description and you can hear them. You can purchase them through there if you can't purchase them through us in Nashville. Hope you guys like our videos and keep supporting us. Keep watching and subscribing. Get my awesome. It's a Kia Optima SX T-GDI. Oh, that's sick, bro. Let you guys hear on the inside. You guys been asking where you can get them from. You can go on Amazon. We did the link for the part number and everything if you guys want to purchase a MagnaPack to put on it. And those blue flame tips, we can put another link for them. Just complete the look completely. It looks really beautiful. Right there and right there.